So previously I've completed a vision board on camera. I've showed you how to make one. I showed you why you should make one. I've gave you reflections. I gave you updates on vision boards, all of that. So it's like, what more can I do kind of before it becomes repetitive? So today I just wanted to just go through the motion of doing a vision board. This year I plan to be very specific. I know a lot of people are not into sharing their vision boards, and I totally understand, but I'm definitely someone who feels that what God has for me is for me, and there's nothing you or any of my enemies or people who wish ill against me can do about it. And that's just, it's just the truth. So I don't mind sharing my vision boards with you guys. I've shared them with you in the past, and as you can see, I've manifested many of things. If you have watched the previous videos, you will know that. So yeah, I don't think that this year should be any different. I thought about it. I did. And that's just because my following has grew. A lot of people watch my channel now. A lot of people that I know, I don't know, they all watch my channel. Some people wish you well, some people don't. But again, what's for you is for you, and there's nothing anyone walking this earth can do when you have the man up above rooting for you. So what's done is done. So I will be showing you guys what I have planned this year. I don't want to make this video too long, so we're going to get right into it. I'm going to go and get myself together and get my materials, and we're going. All right guys, so I had to just upgrade my shirt, put on some earrings, you know, get a little presentable for you guys. But we're going to get into the video. I'm in my living room, so the light in here is very yellow opposed to other places in my house where I have the white daylight bulbs, but in my living room I don't. So hopefully the lighting is not too bad. But I wanted to kind of go over just some materials that you can use for this for your own vision board. So for me, I like to do planners these days because I can always take it with me on the go, and it's easily visible to the eye opposed to me having to wait, get home, go in my office, look at the board, whatever. But I've done it every which way, so it's just all up to you, personal preference. So what I have here, I have some of my planners. These are actually my 2020 planner and 2019, 2018 planner, whichever year. What I've learned that a lot of times our planners go to waste, right? Am I the only one? I know I'm not the only one guilty of starting the planner and not finishing it. Well, I did pretty good this year, so, well, 2019, but 2020, I don't think I went all the way to the back. You see that? Blank. So instead of throwing away these planners with all of these pages in it, I've learned to just try to utilize these pages, whether it's the actual pages that you know have in the planner, or the actual dividers. I think that's a good method to do your vision board on, and it's utilizing the planner that you were probably going to throw away. That's just my opinion. I think that it's a good way to do your vision board. As you can see, I have a vision board in this planner, and I have a vision board in this planner. This is 2019, this is 2020. But instead of just throwing these, you know, throwing these planners away, I can just go on to the next page, do a vision board, go to the next page, do a vision board, or just use these dividers, because they do have like the month on the back with all the writing. So you may not want to use like this again as just a divider unless you cover it up, and you can use it, but you just have to, you know, DIY some things and make it multi-purposeful. And then if you don't have planners, you're not into the planners, there's things around your house you can make a vision board. You don't have to run to the store and go get a new vision board, poster board, none of that. You can find things in your house, and this is just a prime example. This is actually a sheet thing that I found that where my sheets came in, new sheets, and this is just a board, and you can frame it, you can cut it. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect because you can always frame this, make it flat, or cut it and just use part of the board. Utilize what you have at home. So those are just a few examples for you guys. So if you are into wanting to make a vision board but you don't have the material, you just can't afford any material, go around your house and find things in your house. So this year I have my Diary of a Budget Mom book that will be available soon for you guys to purchase, but I will be completing my vision board in this book, which I went over my finance goals with you guys. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you check it out. And then I have this little purpose vision board summary of kind of just going with the theme of this book and giving you guys pointers on why it's important to do a vision board. And then this is my vision board layout. It's black and white. I prefer black and white because I'm not into a lot of colors, so this is where I would be putting my vision board this year. But you guys, you can make more than one vision board if you have like a lot going on, you have a lot of plans, or if you're very specific. For me, I find this year I'm going to be very specific with my goals, so I don't need a big poster board because the goals that I have are very specific and I need time to achieve each and every one of them, so I cannot overwhelm myself. So yeah, this is what we'll be working in this year to complete our vision board. So next thing is the material you'll need to, of course, make your vision board. Now, you can do magazines, cutouts. You can go around the house, see if you have some magazines. I personally don't buy magazines, so this is one of the magazines that came in my mailbox, and I try to save these for vision boards because I know I'm going to need them because I don't buy magazines. But I don't know what I did with the other ones, but this is the one I can find. So you can go through each magazine, find different things that actually relate, different quotes, sayings. I like a lot of the text. I typically use the words and things of that nature when I'm looking in magazines. Like this one says, "Make room for joy." That's the perfect vision board quote. You can cut that out and put it on your vision board. But if you don't have magazines like myself, you're very limited on magazines, and then you have to shop your home. So let's go. So here in my office now, I'm very crafty, DIY, so I keep a lot of things around my house, and this is my office, and I actually have all of this stuff here from just previous DIYs I've done. I have letters that probably came from like Hobby Lobby, Walmart, numbers. I have different types of stickers. I have, again, more numbers, stickers. I have numbers, letters. Like, this is stuff that I just keep because you never know when you're going to need it. So yeah, it's good to keep things around the house, you guys. And as you can see, I tend to keep a lot of stuff around the house. I'm just taking all of this stuff out because I don't know what I'm going to use this year on my vision board. Mariah's pictures in there. This would be cute for like a vacation. Since 2020 we did not get no vacation. This is actually a stencil, so if you want to like go in and write in, this might be cute. Again, more letters, different stuff. I have cardstock for backgrounds and all types of stuff up in here, you guys. Like, I'm big on keeping crafty stuff around here. It's rare. The only thing that I tend to never have is glue for whatever reason. So I have glitter, Mod Podge, just all types of stuff. Stickers, more stickers. So like vision board. I didn't use that. I need to use that. This is all like my planner stuff. So planner stickers, more stickers. As you can see, lots of sticker planner stuff. So just shop your house. Okay guys, so as you can see, I didn't have to go to the store or anything. Like, most of this stuff is in my house, and I'm just going to create my vision board from the stuff that I already have. I don't have a lot of pictures. It was mainly like stickers and stuff. So if you have a printer, you can go online and print off some pictures that inspire you on Pinterest, on Google. All you have to do is type in whatever you're looking for, and I'm sure you can find it on Google. If you guys watched my 2018 vision board, I still have it. I literally have all of my vision boards because it takes me back to where I started, and it's just a reminder of all the goals I had. But yeah, you guys, so that's just me showing you guys. Now I'm about to get on Google and find some pictures for my vision board. So come on. Okay guys, so the first thing that I do is go to Google. Google is your best friend because you can literally find any and everything on Google. And I'm just going to type in different pictures or fonts or quotes that I want, and I'm going to add it all onto a Keynote document because I don't have Word on this computer. If you have Word, then just use Word to like kind of, you know, resize your pictures and make and print more than one picture on one page. Don't waste paper. So that's what I'm going to do now. As you can see, first thing that popped up. And I have not even printed these. This is just from previous searches. So let's do the color. I'm just gonna save all these to my photos. Dang, even my business. I like girly stuff, so let's make it a little girly. She's cute. I don't know what that is. Let's see. We can do this. This is cute. She probably don't have. Let's see if it has some more. Oh, this one. But I need more than one. Sean, I need a whole bunch. But this is cute. I want it to be so cute. Let's get what I'm doing here. I'm just going through the images until I find some pictures that I like, and then once I'm done, I will add them onto my Keynote and print them out. So I will come back once I am complete. Okay guys, so this is my first little spreadsheet that I did in Keynote. So I just have a few pictures on this one page, and then I'm going to do my other page, and then I'm just going to print this out. Okay guys, so I've finished my pictures and everything that I need. I'm gonna go ahead and print these off, and I'm just using my regular HP DeskJet printer to print these off. So here are my pictures that I printed. Again, the lighting sucks because so I just printed off these pictures, and I'm going to put them on my vision board. The only thing I failed to do for this plaque was to put my name on it, so I'm going to put my name on it. So yeah, that's basically it. I have all of my supplies laid out here on my counter. I'm about to pour me some wine. I have different letters. I have my pictures I just printed. I have my old vision books just to see how far I've come, basically looking over previous goals, seeing if there's still something that I need to accomplish. And yeah, I am ready to do my vision board. Once I complete it and get it done, I'll come back and give you guys a glimpse of it, but I'm not going to record the whole process because I have plenty of videos showing you guys how I do my vision boards. So if you guys want to check those out, you can. I'll link them in the cards. And yeah, I will check back in once I'm done. Okay guys, so this is what I have so far. I have not glued anything down or in place. I still have to just add a few words because I'm definitely someone who likes to read words that inspire me and motivate me. So this is just the layout I have so far, and this is kind of like more on personal goals, and this is more on like business goals and what I have planned for myself. So I hope you guys found this video enjoyable. I try to mix it up a little bit and not just have me come in showing you guys how to make, like how I make my vision board. I wanted to just go through the motion of actually getting the materials, the reason for making a vision board, and not just me sitting here gluing pictures to my vision board. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Happy New Year. I hope you accomplish every single goal that you have set for yourself. Believe in yourself, stay motivated, and keep on keeping on. You got this, and we will accomplish every single goal we have set for ourselves in the new year. Claim it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.